Dear all, today we'll see how we can add interactive content in an experiment. So already created a H5P, that is interactive video is there, and that we need to add in our experiment, right? So we'll log in by our teacher login. Again same, after login we'll get the dashboard page. Here we have added some extra field here, that is LMS video playlist, and if you want to take the help from this video, you can again click here and visit our playlist and you can watch the videos. Okay, so here we'll see demo course. We'll visit the demo course, and in demo course here I have already prepared one H5P, that is interactive video. This is activity we have already created. Now suppose you want to create, how you can create that activity, please watch my previous video. I already prepared that video. So I already created this activity. I will use this activity in my one experiment. So how you can add this activity in experiment, that we need to see here. So first we need to click on turn editing on button. Once clicking on this, the page will be in the editing mode. Now here we'll add an experiment, right? So we'll add experiment, but before that you remember this is what our H5P content. So what is the name of that content? We need to copy, or I'll copy this. Okay, and I'll say so I'll create the experiment, click on assignment, and I'll the experiment to our course. So I'll say experiment number 3. So this is our experiment number 3. So you can write the name of your experiment, whatever the name. Here for example you want to give the description of your experiment, aim, theory, rules, whatever. So I'll write here theory. Okay, and here I want to give that H5P video. So what you have to add here, you have to give the curly braces, and in the curly braces you have to write H5P colon and the name of that activity that we already created. Getting my point? How to create certificate or interactive video. So when you write like this, automatically our editor will pick that video and will play this video, that interactive content here. So student can watch that video here, and that interactive means the questions, pop-up questions will be appear on that video. All that will be done at this point. Okay, so we'll save this activity. Other changes you can do as per your requirement. So I'll save and I'll show you how you can see this. Save and display. Now you can see this H5P content automatically will be appear here, and all the reflections point will be shown here. So I have only one reflection point, that is what here I have given the interactive content, that is a quiz part, right? Likewise, so I will show it by student login, how student can see. So I'll log in by student. When student log into our LMS, they will find this course, and once they find this course, okay, here they have, okay, experiment number 3. They will click on this and they will see here what is the aim, theory, and they will watch this video, again this interactive content, and after that they can submit your assignment or whatever the experiment is there, that submission will be done by student. Getting my point? So but here when you see here, there is one, if you want to allow that activity here, you see here how to means this is again same H5P content, that is interactive video, and again same here. But I don't want student to see this video, they directly want to see that video in experiment number 3. So how we can do this? So I will again go to our teacher login and we'll make some changes. Okay, this is my course. So again I will turn editing on. So here you see I want to add this activity here. here going to hide this activity, and student must watch this video. This interactive content should be shown in experiment 3 only. So what I'll do, I'll edit this, and I have this all the setting as it is. Just I have to go here in common module setting, and here I have a show on the course page hide from the students. If you are hiding this from the students, it will be hidden from the student, as well as it will be hidden from that experiment also. So don't use this option. Use third option, make available but not shown on the course page. Okay, what exactly mean by this? So that activity is hidden from the student from the course page but not from your experiment. Getting my point? So choose the third option and click save and return to the course. Getting? And when you do this, so automatically here it will be shown like this, available but not shown on the course page. So we'll show you how student can see. Okay, so again you see here, no, this activity is hidden from the students. It is not shown to the student, but when you click on experiment number 3, it automatically shown to the students. See, this is what the this is the way to add the interactive video in experiment, or you can add anywhere in any activity like this is the way to add that interactive content in any other activity also. In label also you can add, wherever possible you can add that activity in that editor. So thanks for watching this video. In this way you can add the interactive content in any activity. Thanks.